Hi, evening, guys. We have Vishakh over here with us from Skillsoft. It's really great to have you down here. I'd just like to know what Skillsoft basically does.
Yeah, hi. So I'm Vishakh. I work here as a customer sales director based out of Gurgaon. And Skillsoft is the world's oldest company to BTP corporate learning. And we have our own learning experience platform with courses. But we are also into the ILT, VLT space, and we also do live courses. And that's why I think AVS will come into the picture. Because what we currently are doing is we are hosting all those live trainings on Zoom. And there might be some challenges when it comes to the reliability sometimes, when the servers of Zoom are on and it's a live event, so that hampers the experience of our customers. I think that's somewhere where this can definitely be helpful. Plus, sometimes you have seen, because we all were working from home, last couple of years, and latency was a big issue in Zoom, right? I think that is also something which can be resolved through AVS. And the third part would be, you don't get detailed analytics from Zoom. It's a pretty basic analytics that you get, which I can think, which can be improved, and you get a much more detailed idea of who's logging onto the course, how long have they been online, seeing and learning from the current course. So yeah, I think these things would be really helpful for us.
Wow, that's great. Like, I guess having such a huge workload over media services, IVS, and live streaming would be a really helpful use case for you guys. So, if you'd like to shed some light on how live classes are being upheld in Skillsoft.
Sure. So as I said, the kind of libraries we give. So you buy the platform and you buy the libraries there. And along with the courses, because see, in India, it's a very varied kind of audience you cater to. There will be people who like e-learning, who would just want to do learning based on a recorded audio or videos, right? But there are organizations where they want someone to be present in person or probably doing it online, which is in our case. So we do both. We do in-person trainings and we also do online trainings as well. So when there's a live courses being happened, that's a part of a catalog. And that's mostly technical trainings that we do, because we bring in different kind of instructors from different fields and different part of the world, so being a global organization. So a lot of, one of the highlights when we sell our product is the live courses, because people would be coming and you can register yourself, and there are tons of different topics that we cater to. And to make sure that the customer experience is better, because there's a huge audience that comes to attend those live courses. So we don't want that the experience get better and we are not able to view the courses properly, because we also record those courses and save it in a library as boot camps. So with this coming into the picture, it would be a lot more streamlined, and I guess problems would be resolved.
I guess catering to such a huge traffic, if IVS fits in the picture, that would be a real help to you guys. I look forward in collaboration of AppSquadz and Skillsoft for this IVS and media live streaming. It was great to have you down there. Thank you so much.